How to find out MBOX Exporter and launch the software. First of all, type MBOX Exporter Betavare in Google search engine bar. Then click on here to open our website. Here is our website, betavare.com. Click on the Download Now button. Click on the Run button. Then select the I accept the agreement option. Then, click on Next button. Check on the box if you want to create a shortcut on desktop. Then click Next to continue. Then click on the Install button. Now click the box on Launch MBOX Exporter and click on the Finish button. How to export MBOX file with this software. First, you need to install MBOX Exporter on your computer and open it. Then add the MBOX file using folder or file mode, or directly load Thunderbird files by default and by manual location. Here check your file location and click on the Continue button. There is a preview of your MBOX file and click on the Export button. There are many formats for export. Click any file format. Click on the Browse button to select your output file location. Finally, click on the Convert Now button to start the process. How to uninstall the MBOX Exporter software. When you open Control Panel, then click on the Programs icon. Then click on Uninstall a Program menu. Select the software and click the Uninstall button. Choose Yes for uninstalling software. Now, you successfully uninstall this software. Thanks for going through this video. I hope now you have got the answer to the Export MBOX file.